The total number of aircrafts Indian Air Force possess is more than 1700. And aircrafts are not just fighters. There are multiple categories of aircrafts which Indian Air Force possess. So today the aim of this video is to study all those categories of aircrafts and their names. So this is the part 3 of military knowledge series, and today the aim is to study the aircraft inventory. So let's get started. The total number of aircrafts is this. Like this is the approximate number. The real number of the actual number is not available in the public domain. It is not disclosed by the Indian Air Force. So this is the approximate number. And of this total number, the largest share is of fighters. Like these are the categories. The special mission aircrafts, trainers, transport aircrafts are there, then helicopters are there. So of this total number, the largest share is of fighters, and this is 542 in number, and the share is 31.6%. Then comes the second position, which is of helicopters. Their share is 29%, and the number is 498. On the third position, there are trainers, whose share is 21.8%, and their number is 374. Likewise, transport aircrafts have 16.4% share, and their number is 282. Then comes the special mission aircrafts or the tankers, like the air to air refuelers. So these are small in number but have a great significance. So let's begin with the first category, which is fighters. Now there are 542 fighters in Indian Air Force, and again this is an approximate number. Now let's study the names of those fighters, their properties, and their country of origin. Like in your AFSB and SSB, what is important is the aircraft and its properties, like what kind of aircraft it is. So the first one is Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. This is the backbone of Indian Air Force, and this is a multi-role aircraft which is taken from Russia, and now it is produced in India under the licensed production. And this is a multi-role aircraft. Why I'm saying multi-role? It is capable of air-to-air attacks plus air-to-ground attacks. So we can say it is more flexible and it can be used in different roles. Then comes the Spiket Jaguar. It is an attack or deep penetration aircraft. Like this is the role of this aircraft. It was taken from UK, France, and now it is produced in India. Like upgraded version are also produced in India. Then MiG-29. This is a multi-role and an interceptor aircraft. Interceptors क्या होता है? Like if enemy aircraft or enemy missile is coming from this side, then interceptors have a defensive role. Like they have to defend the country. They have to defend by releasing the missiles on these enemy missiles or the enemy aircrafts. They have a defensive role. Then the Dassault Mirage 2000H, and it is a multi-role aircraft or a fighter bomber. Like it can be used for air to ground attacks, specifically for the bombings. And it was taken from France. Then the Sol Rafale. This is a multi-role aircraft, and this is the latest aircraft which India has acquired from France. Then our own indigenous HAL Tejas Mark 1. It is a light multi-role aircraft, and it is indigenous. It is built in India. Then comes the photos and the pictures of these aircrafts. The first is Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. Then the HAL Tejas is this. This is the indigenous aircraft. Then the Sol Rafale, and the next category of aircrafts is transport category. So these aircrafts are used to transport troops, then vehicles like tanks are there, then any kinds of military hardware, then logistics, and even they are used in special forces purposes. So their number is 282, and the names are Antonov AN-32, which is in India, which is known as Satlaj. and it was taken from erstwhile Soviet Union. Then comes the Ilyushin IL-76MD, and in India it is known as Gajraj. It is also taken from Soviet Union. Then Dornier DO-228, it was taken from Germany, and now it is produced in India. The licensed production is happening now. Then the Lockheed Martin's C-17 Globemaster III and the Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules, it is from, both of them are from United States. Then the final Airbus C-295, it is from the Europe and it is now produced in India. Okay, so the next category is of trainers. Now these aircrafts are used for training purposes, like the young pilots are trained in these aircrafts. डायरेक्टली उनको राफेल या फिर जो फाइटर्स हैं या फिर जो भी एयरक्राफ्ट उनको डायरेक्टली नहीं दिया जाता है. फर्स्ट दे आर ट्रेन इन दीज ट्रेनर्स. ओके, so their number is 374 and their names are Bayhawk 132, which is an advanced jet trainer. Then Pilatus P7 Mark II, it is a basic trainer aircraft. Then HAL HGT 16 Kiran, and it is an intermediate jet trainer, and it is also used by SCAT team, Surya Kiran Aerobatic Team. Like we'll study about this in the next video. SCAT team, and then the HAL HTT 40, इसके बारे में हमने पढ़ा था. Its new production line is being established in Nagpur, and this was in the HAL facility, and it is a basic trainer aircraft. Okay, now the next category is of helicopters, and they are the lifelines of Indian Air Force. Their number is 498, and their names are Mi-17V5. It was taken from Russia. It is a medium lift transport helicopter. Then Boeing AH-64E Apache. It was taken from USA, and the second one, which is Chinook, it was also taken from USA. So the first one is attack helicopter. The second one is heavy lift transport helicopter. Okay, then comes the HAL Dhruv. All HAL helicopters, HAL the helicopters are indigenously built, and this Dhruv is advanced light utility helicopter. The Rudra is armed or attack helicopter. Then Prachand is light attack helicopter, and this Cheetah and Chinook, like this was taken from France, but it is now produced in India with certain upgradations, and it is a light utility high altitude, like it is used in high altitudes, and it is very suitable for high altitudes, and it is a light utility helicopter. Then comes the second last category, which is special mission category, and यहाँ पर 14 aircrafts हैं. Okay, तो क्या इसमें कौन कौन से स्पेशल कैटेगरी एयरक्राफ्ट्स हैं? द फर्स्ट वन इज यूज्ड फॉर ISR. ISR मतलब इंटेलिजेंस, सर्वेलेंस एंड रिकॉनेसेंस. These systems are known as airborne early warning and control system. Like AVACs are there. इनको AVACs बोलते हैं. And this particular aircraft is Netra Embraer ERJ 1451. So this Netra system, like here you can see this particular system, like this is a radar disk, or we can say this is the thing जहाँ से जो surveillance जो है वो की जाती है. Like this aircraft is Brazilian. ये ब्राज़ील से लिया हुआ एम्ब्रेयर है, एंड इसके ऊपर ये माउंट किया गया है एक रेडार, एंड इसके थ्रू जो सर्वेलेंस है वो की जाती है, एंड दिस इज यूज्ड फॉर ISR पर्पस. देन द सेकेंड वन इज दिस फाल्कन. इसमें ये रशियन एयरक्राफ्ट को यूज़ किया गया है, एंड यहाँ पे ये प्लेटफॉर्म रशियन प्लेटफॉर्म है, एंड दिस डिस्क इज टेकन फ्रॉम, लाइक दिस इज द रेडार डिस्क, दिस इज टेकन फ्रॉम इजराइल. So this is again used for ISR purpose. It is an airborne early warning system. ठीक है. Then comes the category where tankers are there. Tankers क्या होते हैं? Like they are air to air refuelers. अगर they are the moving petrol pumps, like the aircraft, the fighter or any kind of aircraft, they don't have to come down. उनको नीचे नहीं आना है, उनको नीचे आके रिफ्यूलिंग नहीं करनी है. Tankers are there to refuel in the air only. So we have one such aircraft which is IL-78, and it is of Russian origin. Okay, so these were the aircrafts which Indian Air Force possess, and I also mentioned their number and their specifications. So this is enough for your FSB or SSB. You can refer this video, and if you want to connect with me, you can join my Telegram group. You can even follow me on Instagram. And this is all for this video. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.